Hello, I'm Shilpi Kapoor, the founder of BarrierBreak and 24/7 Accessible Documents. After working in digital accessibility for 19 plus years, I'm yet asked the question, why am I passionate about it? I think the answer is very simple. This is an area where I could take technology and help build inclusion for people with disabilities who otherwise were not provided access to these solutions. For me, it was an area where I could create a sustainable business model as well as create impact in society. So, why not work in an area where you can make a difference and yet build sustainability? So, back in 2004, when I founded BarrierBreak, it was founded on three basic principles. The first one was to employ people with disabilities. And today I'm proud to say that 65% of our team comprises of people with disabilities. Every project, every team that we work with includes people with disabilities, and they are a part of our culture, of our process, of our solution, and they're the ones who keep us true to the accessibility understanding. The second thing I wanted to do was not to go out and build more technology, but I wanted to ensure that the existing technology that was out there would be accessible to people with disabilities. And that is why we started to focus on different areas whereby we could support companies globally in this space, whether it was accessibility testing, document remediation, accessibility consulting, and strategy, including doing inclusive design and creating playbooks for our customers. We realized that there was a need to provide a one stop shop whereby we could provide people all of the different solutions that they needed within their accessibility journey to make their solutions and products accessible. The third thing that I set out to do was to build a sustainable business model. In India, back in 2004, accessibility was largely looked at as charity. And I wanted to create a sustainable business model whereby we could employ more people, service more customers, and look at digital accessibility at scale. And I'm proud to say that's what we did. BarrierBreak are one of the pioneers of digital accessibility from India. And we don't only work within the marketplace, but we also do a lot of advocacy, policy building with the governments in India as well as globally to promote accessibility. So you must be wondering, why are we talking today? We're talking probably because you have an accessibility need. It might be a need to just create a VPAT for a product of yours, or to get into a journey whereby you want to embed accessibility within your organization and might be requiring handholding from strategy to training to accessibility testing across the board. So, we are here to help provide such solutions. We're a team of 240 of us, and all of us provide accessibility solutions to 14 different countries globally. It's interesting that looking at the offshore model, we're able to look at accessibility at scale, and we're able to provide solutions which might be project based or dedicated team models so that we can help you make your products and solutions accessible. We're here to support our customers in their accessibility journey, not only as a provider, but also as a partner who helps them understand the accessibility space, who helps them understand the needs of people with disabilities. We would like to take your teams on this journey whereby we go beyond the persona and think about the users and look at how do we help organizations like yours build accessibility. I think it's a given in the current situation that accessibility might start off from a legal perspective, but I think we are all seeing the benefits of including accessibility within our products and solutions. And it is something that is going to become ubiquitous to all technology. A simple example I've always used is, something like Google Maps that every one of us uses. I might not require to see the screen because I am driving and might be using auditory support for that. Whereas for somebody else, it might be something that they require because of a challenge that they might have. If you are looking for an accessibility partner, whether it's for your testing, remediation, or strategy perspective, do reach out to us. Me and my team would be happy to help. I'll just leave you with one thing: think accessibility. Think accessibility so that your products and solutions can reach a larger audience. Think accessibility so your products and solutions can bridge that divide. Think accessibility so that your product is inclusive. And finally, think accessibility and come on this journey with BarrierBreak. Thank you.